What is going on, my friends? Xeon Hunter back with some more Gunpla news. Today we're looking at the Shizuoka Hobby Show, and they got quite a few new Gunpla picks that they revealed here. So let's check it out. So what has been revealed so far? Showed you guys yesterday. Perfect grade new Gundam, master grade Barbatos Lupus. Let's see if we can get some pictures. Okay, here we go. Here is the master grade Lupus. PG new. This thing looks amazing. Here's the monkey roadie. I'm not sure what that one is. Here's the entry grade wing Gundam. Okay, iron blooded coating Barbatos. Destiny Spec 2. Okay, here we have the Charzaku from G-Quux. Trying to find some pictures of this. Here we go. They also have another one that looks like this, but they have a green one. Here we go. This one is the Gundam Zagan. Here's the monkey roadie. Monkey crab roadie. Master grade Lupus. Of course, the perfect grade new. G-Quux Rick Dom. We'll be on the lookout for some more G-Quux kits coming out. Master grade Blaze Saku Phantom. High grade Gundam Xylus. Sayla's light cannon from G-Quux. I think that's gonna look really cool. And then for Gundam base, you've got Hayushiki mechanical core plating. Entry grade new Gundam Axis shock image color. Gundam base Mark III, Infinite Justice, and Unicorn Gundam Phoenix Destroy Mode gold and silver coating set. So yeah, that's about all the new reveals. I'll keep you guys posted whenever they upload some more pictures, and we'll see you all on the next one.